Tell them what we got.
Huh? Oh, compost. So, a lot of people getting into gardening for the first time this year. One of the best things you can do is buy compost in bulk. We just picked this up. It's 1 cubic yard, 27 cubic feet, and we paid $23 for it, which is, you know, obviously less than $1 a foot. You go buy it in the bags at Home Depot or wherever. Usually they're 1 to 2 cubic foot bags, and they'll be anywhere from a few bucks to 15 bucks depending on the compost. So you save a ton of money getting this. This is good quality compost here, and you know it's going to grow all kinds of stuff. It has great nutrients. This one particularly, it has a really good consistency, so you actually can plant just in pure compost. Some might be a little more dense, so you need to mix it with some other stuff, but this stuff's great. So the one thing though that could get you into trouble when you're buying especially this bulk compost is that a lot of times, almost all the time, it's not quite finished, meaning that it's still doing its little process of breaking this down. I can tell by how hot this is, it's not quite finished. So we're about 3 months before the main planting season. We're picking it up now. We're gonna put some in some containers for, you know, kind of ornamentals and decoration, and the rest we're gonna put into the garden and let it do its thing, so that 3 months from now, when we're planting all our stuff, this is all, you know, it's all done. It's all ready to go and just grow some great nutritious food. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Now we gotta get to work. And this here is where we're gonna bring the rest of that compost that we got. Here on this seemingly dry, desolate, lifeless, hard dirt, compacted soil. Last year we had so many peppers, tomatoes, squash, more than we could even eat, green beans. I'll put some pictures right here. This spot, especially if you're new to gardening, this here is about, including this raised bed, is about 8 feet by 24 total feet of growing space. And for 2 people, like I said, we had so much food here we couldn't even eat it all. We preserved all kinds of tomatoes. So yeah, we're gonna get to work because it's getting late. Need a wheelbarrow. Okay, right here is a walkway, so we left this compost free, but you can see just right here just how thick of a layer of compost we got over this this horrible soil that needs to be amended. And so we did this. We amended about the same amount on the raised bed, and we filled 2 half wine barrels in the front for ornamentals and herbs. So it's just for 23 bucks. It's such a good deal. I don't know how much you'd have to spend to do that with bagged compost. That's probably not even, I mean, this is not like the worst compost. This is, like I said before, really good quality, nutrient-rich compost with good texture for drainage and decent retention, water retention, all that good stuff. But anyway, see what we did last year was we just amended the holes where we planted the our crops, and we had great success with that. But I think with this year, what we're gonna try, we're gonna just leave it like this, let it do its thing, and then where we actually plant, we will dig down deeper than this top layer of compost and even amend that as well with more compost. But this will, I think, will improve the soil quite a bit, and I think we're gonna have great results. So all we can do now is wait till spring.